Together, we all try to be the best that we can be. We struggle, we go through hard times, and those hard times make it difficult to look your best. Maintaining your grooming on a day-to-day basis can be tough, especially when it comes to shaving the back of your neck. But what if there was a way to clean up your neckline without going to the barber or asking a friend? Introducing the Scruffie, the world's first and only do-it-yourself neck shaver that just made your day-to-day that much better. So you can look your best and be your best.